In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete passport details on Booking.com. If you've ever saved your passport or ID information on Booking.com and want it removed, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to handle it using the tools built into your account and, if needed, a formal privacy request. Start by signing in to your Booking.com account, either on the website or in the mobile app. Make sure you're using the correct profile you actually book with, since personal data is stored per account. Once you're in, head to your account area. On the website, this is typically the profile icon in the top corner. In the app, it's usually labeled Account on the bottom menu. From there, open Personal Details, or a section named Manage Data. The exact wording can vary slightly by region and app version, but you're looking for where your personal information is stored. Scroll through that page and look for any field related to passport, travel document, or ID number. If you see a field that's editable, go ahead and remove the information or change it to clear it out, then save your changes. Some versions may have a separate Save or Update button, so make sure you confirm the update before leaving the page. After saving, double-check that the field is empty. If you don't see a passport field at all, or the field is locked or not editable, you'll use Booking.com's privacy and data request process instead. According to their privacy policy, you have the right to request correction of your data, request deletion of personal data, and withdraw consent for processing certain information. To exercise these rights, contact their data protection office using the email address listed on their privacy policy page. In your message, be clear and direct. For example, please remove all passport and ID information associated with my account. Keep your note concise and polite, and send it from the same email address you used to sign in so they can locate the correct account. It's normal for them to ask you to verify your identity before they proceed. This helps protect your account and ensures they're acting on the right person's request. Follow any verification steps they provide, then wait for confirmation that the data has been removed. Response times can vary, but you should receive a reply acknowledging your request and outlining the next steps. That's it. First, try removing the passport details yourself in Personal Details or Manage Data, and if that option isn't available, submit a privacy request to have the data